last night, residents of this community were randomly attacked in an act of terrorism, because this can only be described as a terrorist-like activity. Don't think there's any other way to describe it. I don't think we have had a shooting of this scale and magnitude in and around the parish of Clarendon or Jamaica as a whole in a very long time. And we must stand in solidarity with the family and those who have also been affected in an adverse way, those who are in the hospital who are receiving treatment. But I can tell you it is a very dark day for the constituency as a whole and for the wider Jamaica. And it just goes to show that at the end of the day, no matter how much we try in this fight against crime, if we do not put the right measures in place from very early, that we'll continue to have incidents like these.